Today, let's learn how to combine multiple GIFs into a short video with Joyoshare Video Joiner. Start by running it on the computer. Then, drag GIFs file folder to its interface. Next, click Format to choose Emerging Mode. For the best results, please select the encoding mode to combine these GIFs. Afterward, choose a desired output format. If you are professional enough, you can click a gear icon next to the selected output format to customize parameters including resolution, bitrate, frame rate, codec. Back to the first interface. Now, you're allowed to adjust the order of each GIF and change the name of them if needed. Merging GIFs with the encoding mode gives you the ability to edit them according to actual demands. You are permitted to trim and rotate them, add visual effects and subtitles, insert watermarks, etc. When everything is done, touch Convert to start merging these GIFs. The merged file will be saved in a converted file. That's all for combining GIFs with Joyoshare Video Joiner. Thanks for watching. Bye.